Your earnings from one song can reach $7. If you've ever wondered what it would be like to listen to music and make money while doing so, this is your chance. Since it takes a lot of time to get to this number, and this is not how I personally make the majority of my income, this is the video you absolutely must watch. Additionally, by listening to these songs, you will be directly exchanging your time for money. You will need to invest time in order to earn money. Again, it won't make you rich, it won't make you obscene amounts of money, and it will take a lot of time to get here. But getting paid $900 for listening to music still sounds good. Please leave a like below so we can reach 1,000 likes as soon as possible. Now let's start with a step-by-step tutorial. By the way, I also want to show you all these different people who are already making money using this platform every day. You can utilize PayPal, Payeer, WebMoney, Perfect Money, and other methods to withdraw money from this platform, which is how they're now doing it. For the first step, I just wanted to go there and sign them up to one of these platforms so they can actually receive their money. For example, if you want to use PayPal, go to paypal.com and create an account so you can receive your money. By the way, as you can see, the minimum payout is just $1. If you want to use Payeer, just go sign up to Payeer credit your account so you can actually receive the money you make with this platform. The third step is to go to pixabay.com and then click on music, or just go directly to pixabay.com music, and basically Pixabay is a copyright-free platform. Basically, they provide you with cop. This basically means that once you visit pixabay.com music, you can find a lot of different songs in a lot of different genres, as you can see on the left-hand side. You can select electronic upbeat beats, beautiful plays, hip-hop. This basically means that you are able to re-upload the content that is on this platform to other platforms without giving credit to the author. You can easily start listening to one of these songs by pressing the button over here. The song will then begin playing, and I want you to listen to them, so listen, for instance, to this song over here. If you like it, if you think other people would also like it, if you think it's boring or no one would like it, or if you think it's none of their business, then you can stop listening to it. It's crucial to find music you enjoy as well as music you believe others might enjoy listening to as well. I'm going to choose another option. Alternatively, I might choose hip-hop, which is actually a really good choice. Let's take a listen to this song over here. Okay, let's assume this one is really excellent and I enjoy it after listening to it. So now what you need to do is simply click the download button over here. However, if you don't like it, let me know in the comments below. So simply click download and that song will be downloaded to your computer. Now repeat after me. The more of these songs you listen to and download, the more money you can make and, in fact, the higher passive income stream you will receive. For example, let's say I have 2 songs right now, or let's say I also have this song, which is a third song, and I'm prepared to go. Now obviously click download, and that song will be downloaded to your computer. The third step is to visit a website named app.forever.org, and after that carry on to step number 3. This is a platform for file sharing and free cloud storage called updateforever.org, where you may upload various items and data while earning money. Basically, in addition to letting you upload files for free, they'll also pay you to do so. As a result, you can upload files securely and either withdraw money using a variety of payment methods or use the money to buy products like awards, products, gifts, and other things, all while being paid by them. Your earnings from one song can reach $7. I currently have about $900 in my account balance from this platform. I'm going to reload the page to make sure you can verify that this is real. If you've ever wondered what it would be like to listen to music and make money while doing so, this is your chance. Since it takes a lot of time to get to this number, and this is not how I personally make the majority of my income, this is the video you absolutely must watch. Additionally, by listening to these songs, you will be directly exchanging your time for money. You will need to invest time in order to earn money. Again, it won't make you rich, it won't make you obscene amounts of money, and it will take a lot of time to get here. But getting paid $900 for listening to music still sounds good. Please leave a like below so we can reach 1,000 likes as soon as possible. Now, because when someone you know downloads that file you uploaded to app.forever.org, they will be shown some ads, so they will essentially be sent to a landing page for ads, which they can skip, and once they skip those ads, basically this platform is just sharing the ad revenue with you, they are splitting the other revenue with you, and that is how both you and the platform are making money. Those files can also be like photos, videos, PDF documents, text documents, and can also include other types of files like images, videos, and PDFs. There will be a sign up button over here where you can enter some basic information about yourself, like your first and last name, email address, and create a password, and that's it. Once you have an account, you can log in by pressing the login button. And yes, it's totally free. You don't have to pay anything for the premium membership or anything else. It's $0 forever. Next, you will just need to sign up to the platform. However, as you can see, you will be paid per 1,000 downloads in some cases and in different places. So how much you're going to be paid now depends on where the people are coming from who actually download those files, in this case, who download the music and songs that you uploaded from Pixabay. As you can see, if they're coming from Tier 4 countries, you will be paid $3 per 1,000 downloads, or if they're coming from top Tier 1 countries, you will be paid. And if you scroll a little bit down, you can see all the different payment options. As I mentioned earlier, if you want to use Bitcoin and Ethereum, you need to have at least $100 in your account. If you want to use Payoneer, that costs dollars. If you want to use NetDollar, that costs $5. By the way, you can also earn money by referring other people. But the most crucial one at the moment is the Upload Files feature. So click on Upload Files, then click on Choose a File, and then simply upload one of the songs you previously downloaded from Pixabay.com Music. You can also write a brief description, change the title, and then choose to make it public. So be sure to do that so that other people can see it on the platform and download that song. When someone clicks on this link and downloads that song, you will be paid. If you go through my files on the left side, you can see all the different songs that you have uploaded. For instance, this song right over here. We can click on Actions and edit the song. You can also set the price. As an example, you can set the price to $1. Now that this song has been downloaded, you will receive $7. People download these songs because they want to use copyright-free music in their YouTube videos, commercials, and other projects. Since these songs are entirely copyright-free, many people don't even know they can find them on Pixabay.com Music instead of going to app.forever.org. And if they download it, you might be paid $7 for each song downloaded. And the more of those songs you upload, the better your chances are of earning more money. Of course, it takes a while for this platform to actually get people to use it, and you'll need to promote your link on various social media platforms to get people to download your songs. It also takes a lot of work to get higher numbers. You could start out making a few dollars, but compared to other options, the more songs you upload, the better your chances are of earning more money. I sincerely hope you learned something in this video. If you did, then click the like button.